If you want to pair more receivers for simultaneous use,
Power on.
turn on the receiver that needs to be paired.
Power on.
Press and hold power vocal buttons until you hear D sound. Press and hold vol buttons until hear searching sound.
Searching.
Press and hold the transmitter button until hear successful. Repeat steps 3 and 4 for other receivers.
Successful.
After successful pairing, the transmitter can call multiple receivers. And receivers can also make calls to each other.